About how to do eyebrow threading without putting the thread in your mouth. So what you do is wear a scarf so you're not rubbing the thread around your neck. Put the thread around your neck, tie a knot, and hold the thread in a loop, creating a series of twists. The loop is then placed against the skin, capturing unwanted hair as the thread is rolled over the area. The twisting action pulls the hairs from the follicles, allowing for precise shaping of the eyebrows. So this process typically takes only about, I would say, 5 minutes, if you're expert. But once you're learning, it may take about 15 minutes. But when you keep on doing that many eyebrows, you'll get your speed. So when you do the right hand side eyebrows, you always stand behind the clients. It's easy for you. And when you do the right hand side eyebrows, you turn yourself on the side of the client. And see how neat it looks. This picks up very, very, very little stray hairs as well. And a typical eyebrow thread lasts you at least about three weeks. Now we're going to do the top of the brow. And don't forget the bridge of the brows. If you press the thread against the skin, it doesn't hurt a lot. And get rid of the hair debris from the face. And you're done. Thank you for watching.